When it comes to fried chicken, they say the South pretty much has that down packed, and I ain't gonna lie, I can agree with that. But believe it or not, there is another place that's just as good at making fried chicken. What's up everyone, it's Dan with Cravings, and in today's video we are doing a fried chicken comparison. We are doing good old Southern fried buttermilk chicken versus Korean fried chicken. That's right, Korea. And as you all know, it's probably been going viral, you know, the whole Alton Brown, you know, teaching that woman exactly where fried chicken came from and how the Koreans learned it. Well, let's just put it to the test to see which fried chicken is better, Southern fried chicken or Korean fried chicken. And so let's go ahead and get started on this video, and we're gonna get to marinating both chicken. All right, when it comes to Southern fried chicken versus Korean fried chicken, the way you do each step is completely different for both. The way you marinate and brine the chicken wings is different between the two. The way you dredge the wings is different between the two. The way you fry them is different between the two. And so this whole video is gonna show you the different ways that Southern fried chicken is done and Korean fried chicken is done. So let's go ahead and marinate these wings the Korean fried chicken way. To marinate our Korean wings, just take some simple salt and pepper, a little bit of garlic paste. And yes, I'm using garlic paste. This is completely fine. You can use fresh garlic. You can use jarred garlic or jarlic as it's pronounced. It is all the same. It is all okay. Some ginger paste, sesame oil, just a little bit of that, and a little bit of rice vinegar. You can use white distilled vinegar, rice vinegar, just adds a little bit more flavor. And you just need a small amount, not that much. And I'll give these a good mix. All right, once it's all mixed together, this is how they're gonna look. You're gonna let these sit, preferably overnight, but if you wanna fry them same day, let these sit out on the counter for at least an hour. For our Southern fried chicken, got some more chicken wings, and you already know we are doing Southern fried buttermilk fried chicken. So of course, you know the main thing that we need first is buttermilk. About 2 cups of buttermilk, good amount of salt and pepper, hot sauce. And we're just gonna give these a good mix. And once all mixed, of course, it's the same thing. Marinate these overnight, but if you wanna cook them the same day, hey, let these marinate for at least an hour on the counter. Now let's work on our sauce for the Korean wings. And so we got a medium skillet here. We got some oil and they're heating up. Add in some of our garlic paste, ginger paste. You're gonna stir this around for a bit and let it become fragrant. Some heaping spoonfuls of gochujang, which you can find at your local Asian market, or believe it or not, Kroger has it too. But your best bet will be an Asian or international market. Water, soy sauce, sriracha for some heat, honey. Now this isn't normal, but this is what I'm doing. I'm gonna go add in some sweet chili. Just a little bit of it though. Some sweet chili sauce and brown sugar. And now just give this a good old stir. Once it comes to a boil, you're gonna turn down the heat and let this simmer. And once done simmering, you should be left with a beautiful sauce just like this. A Korean chili sauce. Now, when it comes to frying Korean fried chicken wings, one of the main things that's important is the dredge. And the dredge is usually consisting more of a starch than a flour. And the starch that's mostly used in Korean fried chicken is potato starch. You can use cornstarch or even rice starch, but mostly potato starch is used in Korean fried chicken. It creates a more brittle, crispier crust. Cornstarch does too, but potato starch is the best. And so, like I said, the main component of Korean fried chicken is using a good starch, and that's potato starch. So in Southern fried chicken, you'll have more flour and a starch added, while in Korean fried chicken, it's more starch with a little bit of flour added. All right, so let's go ahead and make our batters for the Korean fried chicken. Quick side note, if you're trying to find potato starch, you can either order online or check your local Asian/international markets. I was able to find this potato starch at Whole Foods. So yeah, Whole Foods, your local Asian international market, or you can order it from offline, usually Amazon. In one bowl, gonna take our potato starch, a good amount of it, added some all-purpose flour, and you still season the flour with Korean fried chicken. So we got some salt and pepper going in, some smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. Give this a good mix. And now we're gonna take some of our dredge mix and place it into another bowl. Not all of it, but some of it. And then start pouring in some cold water, and we're gonna mix this until we get like a thin pancake mix. And there we go, like I said, like a thin pancake mix. You don't want it too thick or too thin. We are gonna coat our chicken wings in this. Gonna take our wings that's been marinating and place them into the wet mix and just give those a good mix around and coat them. Now let's get ready to put these into our dry batter and we're gonna fry them. Okay everyone, so with the wings that's been sitting in the wet batter, gonna take them, shake off the excess, and drop them into the dry. Now using a separate hand, coat them real good. Pat it in. You still gotta pat it in just like the regular buttermilk fried chicken. And once coated, this is how the wing is gonna look. Now we're gonna take our wings and just drop them into the oil. And so now the second part of Korean fried chicken, you have to fry at a lower temperature. So you are doing a double fry. You are frying twice. So you're gonna fry at 325, 330 for about 6 to 7 minutes. And then the next fry, you're gonna fry at about 355 to 375 for about 3 minutes. So drop these in. And yes, I'm frying without the basket. This is something I've been doing a lot recently. No basket allows for more room. Okay, and after frying for the first 6 to 7 minutes at 325, this is how they look. And I'll be honest, hey, this is different frying with potato starch. The skin looks extremely different, way more crackly. So yeah, put them on a wire rack. Okay, so these are the first fry. We are about to get ready to fry these at 375 on the second fry. With the first fry done, it's now time for the second fry at 375 degrees. And once all done frying, they're gonna be a beautiful golden brown, just like this. Just look at that. With our Korean fried chicken all done, now let's work on our southern fried chicken. Take lots of flour, some cornstarch. Oops, and I just spilled a lot, but yeah. Cornstarch, salt and pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, dark chili powder, a little bit of cayenne, and a little bit of slap your mama. Give that all a good mix. Take your chicken that's been marinated in the buttermilk and drip some buttermilk into the flour. That helps create a lot of crinkly, crackly, crumbly bits on the chicken. Then coat it. And once you have your chicken all pressed in, of course, this is how it's gonna look. Now let's fry. Now, as you know, with southern fried chicken, there is no two fries. There is no certain temperature. You crank that thing up to at least about 350, 375, and you drop these wings in and you just let them fry until golden brown. And also once the internal reaches 160 degrees plus. And once done cooking, gonna come out the grease golden brown just like this. Yes. All right, with all pieces of chicken fried, we're gonna take our Korean fried chicken, place it inside of a bowl, take our wonderful gochujang sauce, pour it on. Yeah, pour on nice and plenty. And just give these a good toss. And once coated, this is how they should look. Look at that. Yes. So as you can see, they're all plated now. The Korean wings, we're gonna sprinkle just a little bit of parsley over them. I don't got no sesame seeds or no green onions to cut up. So parsley is the next best thing to help give it some color on the end. And we have officially made southern fried chicken versus Korean fried chicken. Just look at this, everyone. Look at the Korean fried chicken. And now look at the southern fried chicken. Both of them just look so mouth-watering. So let's go ahead and dig into both of these. Everyone, here we are at the end of the video with the chicken all done. And y'all looking at this chicken, I wish y'all could be here right now. So you already know I gotta show you a good old southern fried chicken wing. Like just, oh, come on now, focus, there we go. Korean fried chicken wing. Look at this. Just perfect, sauced. And I can feel it in my hand. Pause. Still crunchy and crispy. Just what you expect from good old Southern fried chicken. Nice, hot, seasoned greatly, floured greatly. You can really taste that seasoning down to the bone, especially when you lay it marinate like that. Korean fried chicken. So you already know, gotta go ahead and munch down on this. So let's see if frying with potato starch really does make a difference. Ooh. Ooh, wait a minute. Have I been led astray all this time? I know Southern fried chicken, y'all might get y'all match made with this. You can just taste all the layers of flavor from the original marinade, the ginger and the garlic and the sesame oil, to the breading itself that's seasoned. The main star is this sauce, this gochujang sauce. Just has the right amount of spice to it with the sriracha, the sweet chili setting it off, the soy sauce, the brown sugar, and the honey helps out the heat a lot. But this, spectacular. Give me 14 of them. So in this battle of Southern fried chicken versus Korean fried chicken, I'm gonna clearly choose the obvious winner. And the obvious winner is both of them. You can't go wrong with either choice. Southern fried chicken, Korean fried chicken, they are both good in their own rights. It's all a personal preference. My personal preference is I love both of them. I'm gonna eat both. Good old Southern fried chicken made by me, grandma, auntie with the auntie arms, shoot, that uncle that know what to do, versus the auntie and uncles of Korean fried chicken. You already know. So both of these are all good in their own right. Like I said, it's all just a personal preference thing. It's whatever you prefer and choose, but you can't go wrong with either one. Both of them are wonderful and amazing, and they both taste delicious. All right, everyone, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this battle of fried chicken. It was definitely worth it. Hey, you can make this too. I be telling y'all all the time, make my recipes, put them online, tag me, show me that, hey, y'all are getting down in this kitchen. It's so easy. I believe in y'all. I know y'all can do it. But I want y'all to like this video, comment down below, share the video, turn on post notifications, and subscribe to the channel. If you don't know, majority of y'all that watch my videos are actually not subscribed. Like, hold on, I'm gonna place it right here. That's crazy. I'm gonna need my subscribers to step up. Now, come on, y'all. I know y'all got me. But like I said, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. I still love all y'all, and thank you for continuing to support me to this day. Hey, y'all my family. I rock with y'all tough, but peace. See you in the next one.